Pandas multi-index selection with conditionals on columns. I'm having trouble filtering on a multi-index data frame. Which looks like what I would like is to output a DF where A and B have some requirement that if both are true, then include the C column as well. For example, the output given the cuts A, 0 and B, 0 would like. To begin, I can do basic selection, df.iloc, column, df.columns.get_level_values, 2 == a, is greater than 0, but not sure where to go from there.
Use XS to select the columns and remove that level of the multi-index. C is then an and check between the first two masks. Concat with keys to add the labels back, then subset the original data frame with this complete Boolean mask.
Another option is to use stack, unstack. If we start with a DF that looks like the output result will be
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.